Welcome back to Autowondr. Meet the all-new 2026 Renault Captur, a compact SUV designed for modern adventures. With a bold new look, advanced technology, and efficient hybrid powertrains, the Captur is more stylish, smarter, and more sustainable than ever. Whether in the city or on the open road, the new Captur redefines versatility. The 2026 Renault Captur boasts a refreshed athletic stance with a redesigned front grille, sleek LED pure vision headlights, and a sculpted body for a bold and sophisticated look. New two-tone color options and a floating roof design add a touch of elegance, while 17-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels enhance its sporty presence. The full-width LED taillight signature at the rear gives a modern and distinctive appearance. With a raised ride height and muscular wheel arches, the Captur is built to stand out, whether navigating city streets or heading out on an adventure. Stay safe and in control with Renault's latest driver assistance systems. The 2026 Captur features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking with pedestrian detection. The 360-degree camera system and auto park assist make city driving effortless, while blind spot monitoring ensures safety on every journey. Step inside the 2026 Captur, where comfort meets cutting-edge technology. The new 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen with Google-based infotainment keeps you connected, while the wireless charging pad and premium soft-touch materials enhance convenience. With ambient lighting, ergonomic seating, and extra rear legroom, every drive feels first class. Efficiency meets performance with hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The 1.6L E-Tech hybrid delivers lower emissions with up to 200 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid version offers over 30 miles of pure electric range. Compared to previous models, the 2026 Captur boasts better fuel efficiency, improved torque, and a smoother ride. Starting at $27,500, the 2026 Renault Captur offers premium features at an unbeatable price. With its striking design, advanced technology, and efficient hybrid powertrains, this is the ultimate urban SUV. Visit your Renault dealership today and experience the next evolution of Captur. The 2026 Renault Captur, smart, stylish, and ready for any adventure. Where will it take you next?